Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal, and I am so excited to be a super sponsor yet again for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. It is something we look forward to every year, and I'm so excited to say it starts today. So I decided I wanted to do some new digitals, and what I wanted to do was show you that I am able to draw out all the art that I sell. So I thought, you know what, let's draw it with you right now. So the idea I had was to go in and draw out some gnomes, which have been kind of my new thing. I really think they're fun. And I thought, you know what, let's coffee theme them out. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a couple of gnomes. And one of them will be the free digital that you'll be able to download starting Friday, May 22nd. I cannot wait to see what you guys create with him. But again, one of these three that I draw will be the digi that will be available for instant download. All right, guys, let me go ahead and draw, and let's meet up again at the end. I thought it'd be fun just to draw a little bunny, kind of just throwing around ideas. Not really sure yet what the final design is going to be, but I really like these two. I like the one on the top. I like that he's kind of like all beard, like that's fun. And I like the one down at the bottom because he's kind of like a big triangle. And that kind of makes me laugh. Like, it's kind of funny to see that. So I think that would be a really fun one to color. Well, again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner and artist for JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment below. Can't wait to see your cards, guys. Take care, everybody.